Supermetrics Honest Review. Watch before using. Supermetrics is a powerful tool designed for marketers, analysts, and business owners who need to streamline their data reporting and analysis across multiple platforms. It connects various marketing platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn, and more to your favorite reporting tools, such as Google Sheets, Excel, or data visualization tools like Google Data Studio. The main appeal of Supermetrics is its ability to automate the entire data collection process, saving hours of manual work and reducing the chances of errors. It works by pulling data directly from marketing platforms into your chosen destination, so you can focus on analysis and strategy rather than hunting for data. One of the standout features of Supermetrics is its extensive range of integrations. Whether you're working with paid media, social, or SEO data, it has a connector for almost any marketing platform you're using. This makes it incredibly versatile, allowing you to centralize all your data in one place and create custom reports tailored to your needs. For example, you can pull data from Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even more niche platforms like SEMrush or Shopify, consolidating everything into one easy-to-read report. Supermetrics is particularly valuable for agencies or teams working with multiple clients or campaigns, as it allows for quick and efficient data aggregation, leading to faster reporting and insights. It's also great for businesses scaling their operations, as it helps maintain consistency across all reporting processes. The platform's pricing, however, can be a bit steep depending on the level of functionality you need. They offer tiered pricing plans, and while the entry-level options are accessible, the more advanced features, like data warehouse integrations and premium connectors, come with higher costs. That said, if you're serious about data-driven decision-making and need a tool to save you time and improve reporting accuracy, Supermetrics can be a game-changer. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to set up even for non-technical users, and the automation is top-notch. But it's not without its downsides. The cost and occasional slow load times can be frustrating for some users. Overall, if you're a marketer or analyst who needs to pull data from multiple sources regularly, Supermetrics offers a comprehensive solution that can significantly improve your workflow. However, it's crucial to weigh the costs against the value it brings to your business.